Hello dear students, today I am going to tell you how to solve the questions from exercise 2.6. In this 2.6 also equations are given, and we already have seen so many questions how to solve equation. These are also similar to those. Here equation is 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2. Now this 3x is in division. When it will be transposed to RHS, it will be in multiplication. So equation will go like this: 8x minus 3 equals to 2 into 3x. Now in the next step you are going to solve this. 8x minus 3 equals to 2 3s are 6, so 6x. Now next step is to transpose the term with the variable on the same side. Okay, so we will transpose 6x to the LHS. So it is positive. When it will be transposed, it will become negative. And transpose this constant term on the RHS. So now next step is 8x minus 6x is 2x, which is equals to 3. Now this 2 and x are in multiplication, so 2 will be transposed to RHS, so it will be in division. So 3 upon 2. Here x value is 3 upon 2. Now dear students, question number 2. Again it is solve the equation. Now here 9x upon 7 minus 6x. So now this whole 7 minus 6x will be transposed to right hand side. So 9x equals to 15 into 7 minus 6x. Okay. Now using distributive property, we are going to multiply 15 by 7 and then 15 by 6x. Okay. So 9x equals to 15 7s are 105. Here negative sign is there, so minus 15 6 are 90x. Okay. In the next step, transpose this 90x to the left hand side. So 90x is negative here, it will become positive here. 90x, which is equals to 105. 9x plus 90x is equals to 99x equals to 105. Okay. Now this 99 will be transposed to right hand side. So x equals to 105 upon 99. It can be reduced further by 3. Okay. So 35 and here it is 33. So x equals to 35 upon 33 is the solution to this equation. Okay. I hope you have understood these two questions. Question number 3. Solve the equation z upon z plus 15 equals to 4 upon 9. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to transpose this z plus 5 to the right hand side and 9 to the left hand side. So 9 into z, 9z equals to 4 into z plus 15. Okay. Next step, 9z equals to 4 into z, 4z plus 4 15s are 60. Okay. Now with the same variable, the term with the same variable will be transposed to the left hand side. 9z minus 4z equals to 60. Okay. So 9z minus 4z is 5z equals to 60. Now this 5 is in multiplication with z. So it will be in division now when it will be transposed to the right hand side. So 60 divided by 5, and 60 divided by 5 is 12. So this is the solution. Now similarly, question number 4, solve the equation 3x plus 4 divided by 2 minus 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y upon equals to minus 2 upon 5. Now following the same method, 5 will be transposed to left hand side, and this 2 minus 6y will be transposed to right hand side. 5 into 3y plus 4 equals to minus 2 into 2y minus 6y. Okay, now using distributive property we are going to solve this. 5 into 3y 15y, and 5 into 4 20. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 6, minus and minus positive, so 2 6 are 12y. Now we are going to transpose the term with the variable on the left hand side and the constant term on the right hand side. Okay, so 15y minus 12y is 3y, and minus 4 minus 20 is minus 24. Now this 3 will be transposed to the left hand side, so y equals to minus 24 upon 3, and minus 24 divided by 3 is negative 8. So this is the solution to the question number 4.